I'm sweet, juicy, impossible to ignore. You toss me in smoothies, desserts, or eat me raw, I shine everywhere.
Blend me, steam me, savor me. I'm comfort in creamy form.
I'm not just white fluff. I'm fiber, vitamins, powerhouse nutrition. I'm tiny, but I rule mornings. Roasted dark, full of aroma, packed with energy.
You just saw how a hidden niche is absolutely taking over social media feeds, racking up millions of views with a concept so simple it's brilliant. We're talking about everyday fruits, vegetables, and objects transformed into high-energy, talking characters that explain exactly how they impact your body, from dark chocolate pranking your blood sugar to a blueberry acting like a tiny hero for your brain cells. These videos are short, high retention, and built for massive viral sharing because they turn boring health facts into pure entertainment. Now, let me ask you, do you also want to generate videos like this and start a viral channel from scratch today? The magic of this strategy is that you don't need to be an animator or a tech expert to dominate this space. By leveraging a specific high-speed AI workflow using ChatGPT for scripts, Whisk for visuals, and Grok for motion, anyone can jump into this trend and start seeing results immediately. If you're looking for a straightforward way to tap into this trend, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you need to follow to get started. To get started, we need to set up the foundation for your content by heading over to chatgpt.com to generate our creative assets. Simply navigate to the sidebar, select the GPTs section, and open the Gen X Character Studio tool. This specialized AI does all the heavy work for you, so there's no need to struggle with complex writing. All you have to do is type in the name of any item. For example, let's go with a coffee bean and hit enter. Instantly, the AI provides a full production package, a professional image prompt to design your character, a snappy 5-second script for the voiceover, and even a few extra ideas for related characters. If we try it again with something like a red apple, you'll see the same fast results, giving you everything you need for your next scene in seconds. Just repeat this simple step for every character you want to feature in your video. Now it's time to take those ideas and bring them to life using Whisk by Google Labs. Here is a pro tip for you. If you are on the Google AI Plus plan, you actually get 200 credits. But the best part is that generating static images doesn't use any of them. Credits are reserved strictly for video generation, so you can easily stick to the free plan for this entire visual stage. To get started, log in with your Gmail account and select the Enter Tool option from the Gallery page. Once you're in, look at the bottom of the screen for the prompt box. This is your creative playground. Simply head back to ChatGPT, copy that detailed coffee bean image description we just made, and paste it right here. Here is a crucial step you cannot skip. Make sure to set your resolution to 9:16 for that perfect vertical mobile format before hitting generate. Within seconds, your very first character is born. Now just clear the box, grab your next prompt, and keep the momentum going. You want to repeat this process for your entire cast, whether it's a tea leaf, an energy drink, or a protein bar, until you have a full, high-quality gallery of characters ready to go. Once you are satisfied with the results, hit download on every single image. With your visuals ready, it is time to give them a voice and make them talk by heading over to Grok.com. After logging in, you need to go into the behavior settings and turn off Enable Automatic Video Generation because you want total manual control over every shot to ensure the highest quality. Navigate to the Imagine tab on the left menu, click the attachment pin, and upload your coffee bean image. Then, jump back to ChatGPT one last time to grab the specific coffee bean script and paste it directly into the Grok prompt box. Hit generate and watch the magic happen as the AI animates the face and adds the audio. Your character will come to life saying,
I'm tiny, but I rule mornings. Roasted dark, full of aroma, packed with energy.
Skip me and you stumble. Underestimate me? That's amateur hour.
See how incredibly smooth that animation looks? Download that clip and simply repeat these steps for every other character in your lineup. Don't stress if the character seems to be speaking a little too fast at first. We are going to fix the pacing and polish everything up in the very last step. The final step in this process is where you take your individual animated clips and give them a professional cinematic finish using CapCut. Start by opening the app and creating a new project. Then import all the video files you generated in Grok and arrange them on the multi-track timeline in the specific order of your script. Precision is key here, so if any of your characters, like our high-energy coffee bean, are speaking a little too fast, simply tap on the clip and select the speed tool. You can use the normal slider to reduce the speed slightly, or experiment with the curve feature for dynamic speed ramping that makes the movement feel more natural and engaging. To give your video that signature viral look, navigate to the Filters tab and search for the Vivid or Vivid Pop filter, which instantly boosts the contrast and saturation. Be sure to drag the filter layer all the way to the end of your timeline so the vibrant, high-quality aesthetic stays consistent across every scene. Once you've meticulously polished the timing, transitions, and visuals to perfection, it's time to bring your creation to the world and start reaping the rewards of your effort. Head to the top right corner and hit that Export button, making sure to select 1080p or, even better, 4K at 60 FPS to ensure your content has that ultra-crisp, high-definition, premium look that social media algorithms love to prioritize for the For You page. And just like that, with only a few minutes of focused work, you have a high-quality, high-retention professional short that is primed and ready to trend on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. This isn't just a one-off video. It's a completely repeatable viral system that you can use to scale a massive following and build an entire brand around this relatively untapped, high-engagement niche. I've made sure to include every single link, resource, and specific AI tool mentioned in this walkthrough right in the description below, so you can dive in and start generating your first character the second this video ends. If this step-by-step masterclass helped you unlock a brand new content strategy and gave you the confidence to start creating, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button to help the YouTube algorithm show this to more creators like you. And make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you're the first to know every time I drop a new viral blueprint or technical tutorial. Your journey into the talking object niche starts right now, and I can't wait to see the unique characters and stories you bring to life. Thanks for watching, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.